What will we find today on this EX33 adventure? Who knows?
Alright guys, so we're going to check out this little area over here. Looks pretty uninhabited. Start up there, where that brush is,
Right?
and then we'll go and we'll fish up to the point.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some deer back there. Alright guys, so we haven't had much luck in this little cove, so we're gonna head on and see if we can find a better spot. Maybe catch something cool. I've encountered problem.
Well, let's just move forward, I guess. See what it sounds like. Oh, that's not good.
Oh. You good? Alright, we back at it. Here we are at the next location. Nature. Right, William got a line stuck on a tree over there, so we're gonna try to climb on this dock to go get it.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Can you hold for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get the cleat.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, shoot, bro. Did you? Is it wet?
Yeah, well.
Awesome. Alright guys, so we're heading out of this location. We're just gonna maybe head upstream, do some exploring, and see what cool stuff we can find. Okay guys, we're approaching this bridge. We're gonna try to do some nang fishing. We ain't just do one kind of fishing. We do all the types of fishing here at EX33. Okay. Alright guys, so we're approaching the drop site now for the mag. A lot of people fishing over here though.
He's gonna drop it? Has it hit the bottom yet?
Nope.
I just like trying to
Oh, we're at the bottom, guys.
Okay.
Just enough room. Yeah. I just got him bobbing her up and down. Is it a little heavier? Yep. Sadly, we didn't get anything. Okay. We're at the bottom. Just bombing her up and down again. Nope, nothing. Okay, we're just gonna keep heading on up there, see if we can find anything.
I'm not even kidding.
He got
that thing
one.
took it and ran.
Bro, he lost it.
It broke
Rip.
off.
Oh, shoe, bro.
Bro,
There you
that
go.
thing was massive.
Well, hey, now we know what we got back here.
Oh my god, dude.
We know what we're dealing with,
Bro, that thing took it and took off.
bro. Nothing. Oh, he let go, bro.
Really?
He let go.
No.
Rip, I didn't set it
I had a
good.
bite.
Rip. While we may not have caught anything on this adventure, we did definitely find a nice fishing spot, and we'll definitely have some more fishing content coming out in the future. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.